In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync a voiceover with your clips in InVideo. By the end, you'll have your narration lining up smoothly with your visuals so your edit sounds polished and professional. First, log into InVideo. Open it in your browser, sign into your account, and give it a moment to load your workspace. This ensures all your media and previous edits are ready to go. If you have multiple tabs open, close anything heavy so playback is as smooth as possible while you edit. Next, open your project. Choose the project you want to work on from your dashboard and wait for the editor to finish loading the media and timeline. Once it's open, quickly scan your scenes to make sure all the video clips and the voiceover file you'll be using are available in your media library or already on the timeline. Now look for the timeline. You'll find it at the bottom of the editor. If you don't see it fully, expand it so you can view all tracks clearly. Take a second to familiarize yourself with the zoom controls. Zooming in makes it much easier to line up precise moments, especially when you're syncing words to actions. You should see separate layers for video, text, music, and your voiceover. Select your voiceover track. Click on the voiceover layer so it's highlighted. You'll notice a waveform that represents the volume and timing of your speech. This visual is incredibly helpful for matching key moments in your narration to on-screen events, like a cut, a transition, or the appearance of a title. Drag it to properly align with the clip. Click and hold the voiceover and slide it left or right along the timeline until the start of your narration lines up with the exact frame where you want it to begin. Use the waveform peaks to match important words with visual beats, such as a scene change or a character action. If snapping is enabled, it can help you land on clip edges or markers more easily. If it's too sticky, zoom in for finer control. Small nudges often make a big difference. Pause, play to test if it's synced properly. Press play from a few seconds before the start point and watch while you listen. Pause at key moments and check whether the voice matches what's on screen. If it's slightly off, stop playback and nudge the voice over a little earlier or later, then play again. Repeat this quick test until everything feels natural and on beat. And that's it. Log in, open your project, find your timeline, select the voiceover, align it with the clip, and pause play to confirm the sync. With a bit of patience and zoomed in precision, your audio and visuals will work perfectly together.